Hey guys, really short vid, lots of photos today because this is kind of one of those jobs I think. So stripped off, which took best part of a day because the stripper that I've got is crap. I'm not going to buy that one again. And filled. So as far as fill is concerned, what did I get? I got this stuff. Yeah, really good. I also found that I bought some sanding sheets, which was really handy. I really wish though I'd just gone large and gone with a bigger grade to start with. I mean, that's a P80, that would have saved me ages. So rather than burning it off with what's that, 140, should have just hacked at that first. So this has had a couple of goes because I did have some holes, so I refilled those. Doesn't look great, but that feels lovely and smooth to me. I'd love to give it a coat of primer this evening, but I do have a small patch of rust that I've sanded away at, but doesn't really seem to be going a great deal. So if I've learned one lesson from all this bodywork stuff, it's don't rush it and actually spend time on the prep. Probably do go on about that a lot more when I'm putting the video together. But so for the sake of an evening when I'm really not going to do a lot anyway, I've just coated that up with a load of actually this stuff, a load of rust converter. So I've run out of gel. I don't know what I've done with it. I've put it somewhere. I'm a bit concerned that this stuff might just be running off, but a bit of a dose of that stuff. I'll leave it overnight and I'll do some spraying in the morning and see how it goes. But yeah, it's looking good. What I have also done, try not to knock stuff off the top here, you're not going to be able to see, no, is I've given it a coat of black underneath. So that's just paintbrush paint. So I treated the rust underneath with the same stuff, scrubbed it down, and then chucked a coat of paintbrush paint on it. Actually high temperature paint, because that's what I've got. It's going to get some cast off when I'm spraying anyway, when I'm spraying the top, so I'm not overly concerned. I just wanted to give it a decent base. Again, as usual, not going to be seen, nobody's going to care, but I will. Yeah, I've not done filling before. Well, I've not done a lot of things before, but I've not done the filling before. It's not as easy as it looks. Trying to actually get a nice clean edge is a bit of a bitch, and you do just have to keep persevering with it. It feels smooth enough to me. I've no idea whether or not that's going to show when I paint it. Only one way to find out. But yeah, it's going to look better. I mean, that's the main thing. It's never going to look perfect. I'm not a professional by any stretch of the imagination. I don't have the professional kit or conditions. But it's just seeing what you can do with garage space in a bit of time, really, isn't it? So I'm going to let that do its thing overnight. I think in the morning, just because I've realised how much small scratches show, in the morning I'll give it a once over with some really high grit, just to get rid of some of the deeper scratches that I've made whilst getting everything off. Layer it up with a bit of primer, going for high coat stuff, then bounce it with a bit of black satin. Fast drying. It is really fast drying actually. I quite like this high coat stuff. I think I've got 1.5 cans of that left, so we'll see how I'll get on with that. Dose it up. I've got some 2K top coat as well, which I've not used on the rest of the paintwork deliberately because it's expensive, frankly, and unless it's going to get petrol and it doesn't really need it. So I've tried just polishing up by hand on the other stuff. I really want to, yeah, I should have just bit the bullet and bought a buffing wheel for my drill, but I didn't. There you go, lesson learned. I think I'll get hold of one for the next time I do something like this. But so the plan tomorrow is primer, top coat, probably give it a bit of a rub down before the, no, actually I'll do primer, top coat, 2K, let it set for a week, let it cure for a week, and then probably rub it down and have a go at polishing it up a little bit. But yeah, looks good. And actually tank's in really quite good nick, to the point where some of the dents I was considering making them deeper so that there's deep enough for enough of the filler to bind, but we'll see whether or not it works. That'll do me. Catch you later.